Hello friends, welcome to the channel. We will discuss how the market behaved today and what is the outlook for tomorrow or what we can expect tomorrow. Just before we start, let us recap what we did yesterday. कल हमने कहा था कि market जो है it's looking volatile. The data setup is volatile and Nifty is entering a resistance zone. तो हमने देखा Nifty went up around 130 points, but then again it was retraced back and finally closed 60 odd points up. ठीक है. Now what can we expect today? Sorry, tomorrow. So देखिए ये back to back doji है. If you look at these two candles, these are two back to back doji and doji in an uptrend is not considered very positive. ठीक है. तो probably we will have to wait for some time to figure out what it is going to happen. अगर हम एक वीक का चार्ट देखें तो आप देखेंगे एक वीक का चार्ट भी जो है ना डोजी बना रहा है. डोजी एट द टॉप इज समथिंग विच इज फिशी. इट्स नॉट वेरी कंफर्मिंग कि ये कैसा पैटर्न बन रहा है, पर डोजी एट द टॉप, नियरिंग द टॉप एट लीस्ट, डज सिग्निफाइज सम बिट ऑफ टर्न फ्रॉम द टॉप. क्योंकि ये डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहा है, इस कैंडल में भी नहीं, इस कैंडल पे भी नहीं. तो आज तो चूंकि देयर वाज एन एक्सपायरी, सो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ मूव, बट वी विल गेट अ क्लैरिटी टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स ओनली. But it is very wise for somebody, or it is very wise for us to wait for the dip and then try and think about entering. Overall sentiment positive है, पर इस लेवल पे ये जो डोजी बन रहा है ना, it is not very healthy. That is our observation. Now let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again, Bank Nifty two red dojis, एक और आज का डोजी जो है वो इस बॉडी के अंदर आया है, सो एक तरीके का कवर अप कैंडल है. यहाँ पे नीचे गैप भी है, तो बैंक निफ्टी आई एम नॉट वेरी पॉजिटिव अबाउट. मुझे लगा, कल हमने कहा भी था कि प्राइवेट बैंक्स आर लुकिंग वीक, सो आज एचडीएफसी वगैरह डाउन थे. So these two candles are confirming, or probably at least initial stage of confirmation, that this is not going to go up. I don't find this pretty healthy. और यहाँ पे gap area भी है confirming, so we might have to wait whether it's come to test the gap area and fill the gap area. ठीक है. So let us come to the data that we track. Now data में क्या है, देखिए data overall positive है because the positions are gradually reversing, but I'll still suggest that to be safe it is better to wait for a dip than to enter. डेटा इज पॉजिटिव नो डाउट. ठीक है. एफ आई यहाँ पे देखें फ्यूचर में थोड़ा सा अपना शॉर्ट कवरिंग की है. अब हो क्या रहा है, जैसे मार्केट नीचे आ रही है ना, देन एफ आई आर कवरिंग देयर शॉर्ट एंड वी कैन सी द ट्रेंड हैपनिंग पास्ट 3 days. DI has not major change. Pro the same. I mean it's also trying to cover the shorts that he has built. Client is trying to book the profit that he has hold. ठीक है. कैश एक्टिविटी में देखो, there was minor cash buying by FIs around 70 odd crore, 69 odd crore, but हाँ short covering हुई थी on the futures front. ठीक है. And if we look at the option analysis, then we will see, just give me a second, let me pull up the, okay, now you see what has happened is that for this early stage फॉर नेक्स्ट वीक, यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं 26,000 के आसपास एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग पुट कॉल राइटर खड़ा है. उसके ऊपर हमें कॉन्जिक्यूटिवली कॉल राइटर नेक्स्ट एक स्ट्रॉन्ग 26,500 के पास दिख रहा है. नीचे भी वी डू सी दैट 25,800 हैज अ गुड पुट राइटर and then 25,900 is also a put writer. So it's a range that's playing out, and probably somewhere down the line the range has to break. The data is suggesting a positive setup, but the candle structure in itself is giving some kind of worrying signal. So we'll have to, rather I suggest that it's wise for us to wait and then try and think about the next move that possibly we can have. Now let us talk about how the overall, let us look at this. अगर हम देखें तो Dow Jones is positive, that is fine. INR, keep INR is something on daily basis. If we look at it, then it is just trying to toy in this range only. Okay, so it's more of a range game than anything else for now. Data is positive, but the candle's structure in itself is not giving us a very clear clue that which way the market is going to move. If somebody is planning to buy, I suggest that please wait for a safe level to enter. And if on the upside is 26,200 is broken, then probably all-time high might come very shortly. For now, overall data setup remains positive, but candle structure is very indecisive, I'll say, because we are seeing that two dojis in Nifty and two dojis in Bank Nifty, which is not very healthy. Bank Nifty in itself is looking relatively weak than the overall Nifty structure. So that's all from my side. See you tomorrow. Take care and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.